Welcome to World Famous Foods. It's time to harvest. Right now we're gonna just do, we got our last cucumber. Look at this. We got our tomatoes, indigo tomatoes, but we're gonna do those in another video. Okay, we got our Scotch bonnets here. Get these off. It's also almost that time for the annual chili cook-off. We're going to take some of these peppers and do it in our 2022 chili. World Famous Foods. Okay, we also got our Turkish spiral peppers here. These are also ready. An accent for the video, so they haven't seen the garden video from World Famous Food this year, so I figured to show you guys. Okay, last but not least, we got our turnip or Kholrabi. There you go. Oh yeah. World Famous Foods.